Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another tech tutorial. In this tech tutorial, I'll show you how to disable Windows Update permanently in any version of Windows. So keep watching. Before we start this tutorial, if you are new to my channel and wish to see my future uploads, consider subscribing to this channel for quality tech tutorials. Windows Update exists to make it easy to keep Windows up to date with the latest patches, service packs and other updates. But sometimes, actually automatically downloading and installing updates will not work for everyone. So we are going to disable it permanently, and this is how we do it. Go to the Start menu and search for the services. From the list of services, look for the Windows Update service. If you can find it, scroll down to the bottom. And yeah, here we go, this is the one. So double click it. Under the general tab, you can see that the service status is running. So click this stop button. Then the startup type is manual, change it to disable. Under the recovery tab, you can see three types of failures: the first, second and subsequent. Change all of them to take no action and reset the value of the failure count to 0. Apply the settings and click OK. Now we have successfully disabled Windows Update permanently. When you wish to do an update, just undo these changes and you are good to go. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. That's it. See you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.